Just went and we filled the dish soap with some water, and that's like my helper, my brother. So we're gonna go ahead and put it again. So just ignore him, okay? So just pour some. Let's see. Okay, so that should do. And just let it soak, and they're gonna come out. So as you can see, like, wait, you can see a tiny little worm over there. That, if you see tiny little worms, it means it's a good sign, because like the worms are coming out. So like, you see that? Yeah. So you're just gonna go get your shovel and just start digging. Okay. So just dig. Let me just cut that. Wow, this is a hard one. Oh my goodness. I'm falling. Okay. So that's done. So now we're just gonna go ahead and dig. You know, it's hard to film with one hand. You know, there's no balance. It's my brother. He's on like a trampoline. So we're just gonna keep on digging. I mean, like, I got lots of worms. Like, there's one worm. So, and this is the tip how to get big worms. Oh, oh, shoot. Okay, get the soil, man. Get the freaking soil. Get the soil. Get it. Ah, where'd it go now? Shoot. Okay, I got it. Okay, now once you've got this, you gotta keep it in your, like, your thing. And keep your shovel. Now, I have like a worm bed. It's like right over there. So, the worm is there. So, let's see our worm bed so we can keep it in there. So, these are my like worms. And, yeah. So you can just go on. So they look like they're dead, but they just don't move. But see, look. Let me just zoom that in. Look, if I touch it, it just like hesitates. It just like moves. See that's a sign it's alive. So if you think this is animal cruelty, well, you're wrong. So now let's go and see our worm, how weird it is. So let's add this to our farm. Okay, so see, it's moving, it's alive. So if you think that's animal cruelty, well, you're wrong. Okay, so let's see where our worm is. So I'll just speed this up, okay? Actually, no, why should I speed it up? I need to prove this isn't clickbait. Where I saw it. It was like there. No, that wasn't. It's a false alarm. Okay, this is a pretty long video. And by the way, this is a really gross video, the grossest I've ever done. So I will wash my hands after this because it's gross. So yeah. So there it is. Hey little guy, how you doing there? Okay, let's go and take him to our farm. Hey dude, be chill. There we are. Now, that's our little dude. He's just chilling there. And this is the end of the video. There might be some more worms in there, but I don't want to make this too long. So bye.